Trello is very popular. How can you make Trello board public, allows you anyone with a link to view it? This can be useful sharing project progress, resources, ideas with broader idea audience. How can you use open the board? You can log in your Trello account. Make sure you log in your Trello account, navigate to the board you want to make public. Top right corner of the board, you can click on the board menu. You can show your menu. From the menu you can go to settings or more. If you don't see the visibility option directly, you can now change your visibility to private, workspace, or public. Now you can confirm the changes. So this was how you can actually make your board public. Again, Trello is a very great project management software that's used by heavily to enhance the productivity of your organization, of your company. So this is a very big, if you're using a free Trello account, the steps will work. However, make sure that everything information that you want to, make sure it always stay, avoid making boards public. They are, if they are private or sensitive data. So this is something that you should avoid. If the data is pretty sensitive, you can just avoid being public.